I will be a dimino. Wow. Oh dear. Today is a very lovely day. It's lovely, but it's very cold. Oh my God. I'm very cold. And it's snowing today. Anyway. Meaning baby, I wish I would have my Pia Bontina Beshe. Pia Bontina Beshe na. Enkoye. Yeah, it's nice. Say snow, but I won't pa be more for Mukwe Juma. Hey, and yeah, easy. It's not easy at all. Oh yes, Nana East London town. Share, I want Jimmy rough. I won't pa. Hey, Abrokyire for your bro, yebr3. I won't pa. Hey. And easy. Hey. And then miraho pa. Share. And easy. Hey. Miraho pa. Oh. Abrokyire for. Yeah, bro, kakra yebedienti. We have to hustle. I was here hustle pa. But ayana bi mu ntia se ye hustle no. Ayana bebre ntia se. No mu fi say we have everything. We don't have everything. We don't have everything. She obia shishani dem o, obia shishani dem. Nobody is coming out. Nobody is coming out because it's cold. It's so cold. If you have to go to work, you have to go. Kromuha enye to say your kromu Ghana. Say insi otokrana. Insi otokrana. Your friend boss say insi na to. E yiri pa nti yanko. E ha dia oboa. Insi ono say to. Say ye den yo. Ubefem akọ. Eji ya cancel will shift. Ya cancel because of the weather condition into ya cancel will shift there. Then that's fine. But a manager to me akwa there. You have to go as well. There's nothing like tontino. Me nkwa ejuma. You are lying. You lie bad. Snow na etono. I was so warm. I wanted the woman pa me count night. Wow. Better na miraho Ghana for Mr. Muntie ma asemi wate na yebr3 pa Ghana for mugu Abrokyire nyina. Oh, moya demo my idea pa because it's not easy. It's not easy. Oh, bread be no wu ya. Wu ya. Ya pa. Na yen share de na ku no. Ya si ondidi ye o. Ondidi ye. Entina. Wu no. Ondidi ye. Enso bra no hwa na. Ejuma ye no. Ejuma ye no wa Abrokyire mu ha no. Wo be bonse mama no. Oye ejuma okwa no pa. Ekojare na so a ye be 10 hours. Obe fie odremi ka no obe fie. No obe didi eduane no kra no. Wontumi ni odi ya na. Waje bi esi ho. No odremi ka. No wasan koye ni afternoon job. Hey. Koye afternoon job no be 3 hours. Owie ya no wasan be fie odremi ka no obe fie. No wasan abedi kakra no wasan ko. Na jo no wasan ko ye about I'm say 5 hours bio. Ansa no be fie. Obe fie no. Na dia sa. No wa bre. Oh my God. Want to mean didi ye. Na dia ye me ye wo mu no kra se. Mamunim say, you took one back from her. Yana Crata Sam. I had Timayam Papa. So when you go for Babawa, yapa. No Ninkrata. Onin Crata. Now so a year Juma 24/7. Upon whom my was capa. And so did ye. Nani Diane say, or so save it. O save it cano. No see o sit down with Ghana. Into a shall see what was I. No o sit down with Ghana. Na no when ya or Barbies or Ghana. Okoye no ho ade into they are preparing. Say obukwa koye oba no ho ade into Abrokyire mu ha or London krom ha. Na de bia no de ko. Eh bra no de ko. No de ko. Your friend no de ko. wo sit down no e dan wo sit because na Ninkrofo wo Ghana ne say wo ba Abrokyire be 20 years ni want to mean see dan want to mean ya hwe na wo ye ni papa I say into now he has to struggle and try to find a friend to get him a land e Ghana and now getting the land of Ghana no sit down no into first no yet only 10 hours so but because no so sit down into no watching more and I grant no so you do ejuma only say how do be grant ejuma e dey free sir obi chiaka into oye ejuma na ni ra no dey grant na man no so atini sika sa na oye no say na de wo mu kra na ma eye me sad no kra ne say bra no aduane bia na obeka ho asem okoto aduane kra na anase bibia no ene de nyema boy din wa ho ukoto kontomre kra ne boarding ukoto bayre kra ne boarding ukoto we kra ne boarding into onidi ye obi a we adwuma 24/7 gari koto gari nana asante London is not like Hollywood though. Are you sure it's like Hollywood? No, I got Gary. Just a one ninyama. Yeah, very healthy. Chicken and chips. Junk food no di because ni boarding. And maybe me kada mene kasa. Or see. Konorina. And you are wa high to Ghana and you are na boarding. Now they say me the music nyina ba be ebe didi. I was say me save bi. Na me di bi so koye bibi wo fie. Say na da achi me dru fie a betumi I enjoy. Na me say sa who play ha na Ghana for jitka wo ho. And na who sit down. Who are you competition bank and na wo ho. Me na dey bia me ka say me ni obi anko competition. There's no competition e wo ba bia. No competition e wo ba bia. Unni anu mama pon hu no mwesi dan o ma ye nema Ghana wo wa ba Abrokyire no de unya bi nti there's a competition no munim bra wo krom ha omunim bra wo bra ya sana adwuma no kra wo nsa ka bi they don't even know what you are going through it no competition is very high ni afa ni say Abrokyire ha bia wo nanfofo bi so wa ha omo so omo tumi aye bibi wo Ghana omo si dan a omo aye niema investment niema bebre wo Ghana no yes omo oni omo ti ho no omo ka omo asema you feel like you also want to do it as a workage it's udremika so what I say o pese wo ye bi good o ba Abrokyire na wo tumi kwa bibi wo fie a good o me ka se nye good o it's very 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 good but then don't kill yourself because show wa ho odin no eno na emu hia o enye diamanfo ebeye ebeka what I say obi wo ho wonim kwan ofa so a odinya ni sika obi wo ho wonim se onya boafo bi obabi e de boa no na oye sa nti se mukotam baabi na obi e bon komo na mo ka se me de ma yewe nti wusu yewe ya bra sister me fa ho nto mu o de wa ho odin ebetumi aye no eno na wo se wo ye. That is all that I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Bra na wu ya. Wo wu ya say because wa bakrom her 20 years. Aduane de bia that man is complaining of your food no and boarding. Nana Asante say I like to build a house and acquire wealth. But as for my job better dear, my people please continue for me. I will eat and feel good. That's right. That's right. Now he complained too much. And I'm a Ghana shop and me koto by any boarding. Me koto kontomra ni boarding. Ah, into work ni boarding. Me yes any boarding, me say bra. Anya she, una wo bread, juma wo ye. Until you can't eat healthy at all. Want to mean the healthy at all, healthy food at all. She said yebr3 and then she said no need to. I will won't me say na my check gloves. She say na so hu nyina ye titriti. O my sukra meant it because I am very cold and I just start, you know. So what I say? No one did it on your she. Gary, of course, my chicken and chips, and I didn't want my chicken and chips, baby. And I'm immediately. I say, you are not treating your body very well. And then, you are harming me, yeah. That's it. That day when I'm seeing you, why? And then, yeah, Dr. Fose, he wasn't eating healthy. I said, say yes, I'm why they be a quite you may boy horse in the new subrino, no a trashing. The new subrino, no a trashing. Sa, only no time. Kakra was the air, Dano, Monsieur Eduha. Dano, Messi, Eduha. Adane, and you're not eating because in your channel, calculating is because he does 3 jobs. 3 jobs from morning to evening. Ni break time all ya ne 1 hour. Oh to me, dream ka be fie. Ebedi edia se gari no wa ya no wa ye. Ana se dokun bi na wa ye no. Ye kan say dokun aya ho ni echichire. Na bia no wa nom. Opon a okon the last job na opon a because only time bi na fast food baby na to chicken and chips on be di fie. On shada anytime o de betina ho aka se ene de midi edia ampesi bi ni kontomre bia na bibisa. I mean, it's so bad. And no, other what we you. We into competition and now for fun and no more catching and I call what Chrome hat check. And don't crow see be chale you're wild, no cosibi. Obano so a person warring the war Ghana no onya warring ye. Pressure, pressure. Why do you give yourselves pressure? Pressure and then what we call finito what we kwa sad now we see now why you know one call enjoy sa you know one call enjoy sa property now wusi wo Ghana no one call enjoy we busuafo e ho na say edan no kra we nsi enwie aka na wawu say ye de ukoshe from and I'm crack corona bay. Yan said that yet a year cranny am befitting barrier. Uni Ebushaphobic crowd. Your friend is saying, Chromuha, near Cassia Bemo befitting barrier. Eh? Oh, sister, course, Ampo, true talk says, yeah, me da say. Uni, I will for 1 year Ebushaphobia will Chromuha. And so, what will quack? Usikano, say who saving when you, say who saving when you, Obiara him. I say qua. What do I say? I say Obiara him, I do not for na de bia no more day. Sit down, yes, sir, no. Oh, Mamma, where you say, and then I make a corona, yempo. Now I yelled there, near my befitting barrier, or some baby crazy area. This is what I'm talking about. So why do we, when we group ourselves together with our friends now, and some of catch and you encouraging cry, and you're very, very encouraging. The beer put to pressure. And also my way to so yebi. Why I say yebi? Sister, brother, and you'll be a who didn't show who didn't so. Show who did to me, you don't kill yourself. Corona by someone who nipa do ewu. Sani padu no mwenhudo. Ebi esikafo, almost to see a dime, almost to see near bebree, but almost wager one ebefa. It's just there, vanity. It's just there. There's nothing left. Who are you fan home out? And the air and say, so who swa? One says, Sikana, yaba Abrokyire, ye penna, yebr3. A Juma 24/7 yebr3. Ubu krana. Sika yedibesi okrana yana and so. Yeah, Kinsley say yes. Me da say, I say good topic, sister. Yeah, me da say. Samasha, Wo dia mo fa mani hwe. O tama ya wo ba ayi asasi su ha. Wa struggle fa se bia wo o ma me papa wa busha for ma struggle afa na nyankopa de wanyini wo so wa be ye obi papa wo ye adwuma wo struggle say you are struggling to get money no ya de kwan da wo be wu no won say da wo be wu na busha fo nyina atena se eye meeting e bo ho kwa ye be fa so a ye be siewu ye be mo be fitting barrier na mo calculate sika no be use kra de siewu na sister bra sika no kra enso usie o sika na de be siewu no enso wo ye enso ana e ma ye kobo be sie kra den e ka ho e di siewu what I say na ye siewu wi a e ka e be ba no nso no e ka so da ho enti wo ba asase su ha no sika wo save ye ahoade a wo yusu ye de ye wadwuma enti no wonya time ma wo health na wo de ye wam na sika no entumi nsiew wo wi a e ka kwa san beto ebusuafo ne so e ka beto ebusuafo ne so wo wu ekono ebusuafo no will have to pay or find a ways and means to pay that debt na akano na there yes sre na eye mo bon kran say sa na fofo na omunti no omo pushi uma yese wa Abrokyire inti no e wo se wesidan kran kan sin wo nka wo se wa yese kran sin wo nka wo se wa ware kran sin wo nka wo se wa wo ba kran sin wo wow me nka se sa ne ma na enyo they are all good unya they are all good but don't rush cry because woo san crofo na no omo ba we ya ase ne yesi ye totontobo a obi ni ho obetimi yi be £1,000 e de ma obusuafo se £1,000 omo ngina mo mfensie eno anakwa yaku what I say woo a e na wo hu nan fofo ebi mu betimi aya adoye but ebi mu so betwetwe on betwetwe wo ho e na make an pay wie my very sad na asante say some of us compete like we owe all the banks. They will buy £1,000 handbag without £100 inside. Add then eat well and avoid your GP2 problem. That is it. Nana. That is it. Competition. Especially your man no so cry no. Any party sir, your bag, your shoes, expensive one. Yeah, you are buying all these things, but you don't eat healthy. You're indeed healthy, and that is it. Minimum beer, or back romuha, Sabin Crata Semutino, or ye Juma or Savia, or did you say Casha name passy? Name pass you. Or call no 24/7. One did it. Where I happy go outside London, Madame for be pan in the bonko shut up free. Bema. One did it. O seeing sika one passy. And as I'm making, I have some of my friends who can testify to this. What I say? One did you 24/7. Na you're everywhere born. Or be you're ding. You didn't call hospital, you see you're in the way I didn't know. I so bad. There's nothing they can do. No more than numb. I saw for landing chrome has off on Sunny Yari. And yes, often never saw Yari. Doctor knows went to me and saw Yari. And you walk us the way I would treat you with body no. One my body no, just say. One my body now, and yeah, okay. What could body no? Who could body no? I quite say, what say, who planted tomato. Ana seed baby person will plant it. Now they are not going to do what to try they not them. And you want that thing to germinate, but you are not watering it. With Janice, I'm an dry. I'm a dear a collapsing. But they not shut it down. So for crying to me, Bompire, yeah, enjoy. And sometimes no, yeah, it's good. Say, you pray to God to heal you whilst you are sick, but you also have to do your own. I was so dear. What from dear? What do I say? And then branding about who know me, one friend, me sister. What down for no? Whoa, look at this. And I said it before. You are not eating well. Debia, you are not eating well. Me say bra, iti won jai side aduane na wudi no. Na wo pay aduane papa bindi. Ni ade oh, okonore me de. Oh, me adem yesi betra ha de me sika ba we nam. Me de me sika ba di eniema sochi. Eniema a me si dai me ni dai ba kokra wo fie. Me ware me ni ba. And I'm bet na ha krom ha for all these years I have got nothing until say me yeah. I'm say bra, don't kill yourself oh. Don't kill yourself. Don't kill no cry bra no cry no ni papa with that. And I'm say there or do ba as I see to akra no. Wanu cry wo woko. But I know you are struggling. You want to help your family back home. I understand you. But do what you can do. Yes, our body never shut it down. And now we know what that way. And now coronavirus, me say we no cry no. Baby, I want to cry no. Say me ba ho, say me to me ba ho. I don't know. Me so me to also me to me wo fie. Me wo fie. Say wo pie cry na aya asem. Obi bo wa cry na usro. What do I say? It's yet me more befitting burial. You are lost and gone. Just like that. What I say? Na de bia wa kana me ni so bring me makohi me GP. My say it's still there say onya no. You see one rest keke. Rest keke. O say na me rest here. Me to one shift mo kra no calculate. You be ma me 98.50 a day me almost this job me 10 hours. We are there no me be 3 hours. Enyumre there no me be 5 hours. Inti okonore say who think here calculate it for me a day 8.50 inti say man ko doctor ne say me ko rest inti man ko adwuma the whole day me lose sika we lose sika but na we na order fam you are down me kan ya bra na ntie me kan ya bra na ntie what this sika calculate sometimes I na mystery the way people behave I am mystery. Florence, yeah, Sister Florence, I must say, I'm looking for a friend. Oh, can you give me your friend who is saving at home number? Why? You want to take the money? Penny now, Florence. What do you mean by who is saving at home? And you say he is saving at saving at home now. Say wo. Nipa no wo. Say wo no. Why na be face kano? I know you say at home on who did the asem way Florence. And ya say my yeah no asem. O say you no the share name pass and owu ye. And police for no call ho no. Or now I mean him the no more them who they find out say the guy has got money under his bed in no. No mo face kana. A police for no crowd or cry na the only family bed you cry ni sika na so no. Omo cry message afa. So what I say. And then there you go. Into me, mama now, mo walk from Hano. Who say I'm mad dear? Sometimes say yeah to me yeah aduane. So what I say okay, it's me aduane. Aye, but mama no. And mama ni bebro ho a say be aduane nua no. Omu ni mu nua. Into esa na adwuma na. Obi say no say me kra minimu yo. Minim we ya into na makoto chicken and chips matter we. We understand you. But na YouTube wo ho. YouTube aba bebre. Into mama so ya bema na wutie me. Ameka cho say ne. Say wo ni maduane ya. Ko YouTube. Obetimi ahia say na ye aduane. Ko YouTube. So yo isu je ni na nkwa na wote na oni oba bi wo ncho ba nu aduane ama wa. Sa time na wo de ti phone so na wo chat man you are sexy, I love you na hwan no. Munja say hu no and go on YouTube and learn how to cook. When you learn how to cook, no be hu you better say fry you to drain tomatoes, you to say how many hours and bet me kokrom na koto bibi na beye. Hey! Aden. And the coronavirus abe you cry na adwuma no cry to me Yankobio, yatifie, we can't go anywhere. Into wood anything, and a brand new ya. Mediane, me video me. Just I am ya, and then I may map out a minimum casano. Because a human moment so. Abrokyire, we need money to do something for ourselves. I understand you. But yet is so, so, the share your health ye. Ye fan ko baby. Some musha abrofo na. Abrofo ni kro na ye cry aba no mo. Omo musika. Omuko holidays. Omuni omuma ni omoyemoko holidays. They spend time together. They eat fresh. Onu a fish marketer. He doesn't mind. Fish no say 20 pound crop beto. Yeah, Ghana afford it. You come market near who fish and oh, this is expensive. How come? This fish is so expensive. Now we fish no cry. We need fish in our body. So we need fish. Because a fish will cry no body minto. Ah, so brony up fat. I know, say who saw the baby coffee. No one is saying don't do that. But hey, your car. Eat well. Then your body. This is what I'm saying. Eat well. Then your body. And we should stop in your my because they be near Haji before no. Near Haji before no, and I say, when say when sometimes when you cry, I be obo hop, obo no near yellow, no near red. Na enkoye na osra no pa na nisu bri no ne nyina ye duane a ye ndi ne yie enu na di we mu nyina eba wo nti bra no we wu ya ene so etoy we wu ne body na da ho no sika ne nyina ahye eda na osi Ghana no so ahye nti mesira mo se wutie mi a share this message video tell a friend to tell a friend wo Abrokyire mem na wutie mi a mesira catch your dad for me say Mr. Hours net so why so want to cry make sure say you eat healthy. That's all that I'm talking about. Eat healthy. Nebe boye nyina eat healthy. Nebe boye nyina stop saying say wo di sika no a man ye num ye de ye chibom ni ade enye say pechibom ni ade oh yeah juma wo bre so you eat posh. Min ka say Richard Nam ana we near my Richard na you know you get cholesterol because so near there. But eat healthy. So say na wo bre. Wo feel free. Snow itoi. Awo wom. Obi na kwan so bia me na mi. Obi na ne ka akonya accident because no ito. Efam you very slippery. Okwa ejuma pentem. Na ne car na ko crash wo ho no. Car na ko crash. Into delay no. No ogina ho no. So what I say. Into way obe friend said onya accident. Into ye be man absent wo ejuma mu. Ye ntu aneka. So what I say. Enso efiefo omunim sa o. Omunim say o kanya accident na ye ntu awoka. Ono obe frɛ mam 10 pound mam 20 pound. Na the pressure 2 years so. Now we sit down. Umbe yi. Se oba no bra no wawu no. Oba no se okoware no se onya ware no. Oware no mpo. Onya ware no. But the family of the girl is putting pressure on the man. So o put pressure. And I yen ntam na ye na me so ye de bra no. Oti krom ho no ni nkrata o. And so o pe kwan obefa so a odi oba ebeba. Do you get what I mean? Because odo oba no into pressure no was too much for him. And the brand that wo she say went to me answer review. And to oba no organ in the family no. They won't do anything. Yes. Yeah, lady, yeah, darling, yeah, you are saying exactly. Eating healthy show them the juice plus. Oh yeah, juice plus is so. Juice plus is so. Into say who produce plus or so you can contact people to get your juice plus. What I say, eat healthy. Vitamins near dear ewo ho but obu ho kra na kromo ha kropo ho kra GP kra wa nko bi da oko GP a che oko hospital yi the doctor wa che o so me okay she nyame because on him say what to adwuma mu pe ni 850 an hour no ebebo no iti no obekọ adwuma obeka se mekọ adwuma na mekọ yare mpo a omunim se ma be adwuma nti no yeah, they can give me half of 850. What do you mean, man? Who healthy who here? Who healthy who here? Who healthy who here? Who healthy who here? Mami been who fell on so bakrom almost 15 years. Waba have 15 years. Oni krata o ni mma wo Ghana. or pre or yen and crata ha. Now or bomb pie say. Obinyan and crata and a man was riding. A baby. Chromo hano one no crano. And yen so in crata and dinner the edge. And a jeep no so one no crano. She say, Sam. Jeep no kwano crano. Say or hano unin crata. What titino? So unin crata crano bar. Utumi bie GP utumi ko GP ko bie but say the way our my system no who call GP now ko bie who per say ye sign you in na ye bie ye ma doctor I was so doing krata no be bie den echo hello Michael Nkrumah yes thanks for watching say who ni enkrata ewo kromu ha ewo Abrokyire memu especially London ha UK ha to me call hospital o say wo kwa because say you be more list of things e wo say wo de ba na so onuadofo wo ni bia to me call hospital na mami this is what has happened to her one no obi din e na odi akobie GP obi din e na odi akobie hospital nti tell me de bia woko nipa no so odi ni din kobie hospital nipa niti oti Europe outside our Netherlands ho baby. So what I say? Nipa no Netherlands ho baby. So intino na kwa say nipa ni dey no dey ye. Na wa ye adwuma because of say or that be dey ne maba. Or say okofie because of who ne maba 10 15 years ago. So what I say? Say no. One day okwa adwuma. Okwa say e wo ma say omitie me ya. Oh me nye okay. No wa absent back no wa ba. Oh no so ye adwuma too. Obeko baako. But second one no obeji absent no akoda ofie. That's what she was doing. Mami penyimu bio. That is what she was doing. Ne humfa no, but obe make sure say anopa de no obeko benyumre de no won ko obeji absent. Sana no ya hoya na. Hwe. One day they be in the bank mama ni obi a friend phone wa. Se see obe reply. Wo friend phone who makes you obe frɛ. Wonu be bank komo. But I say, edu baby a friend mama na. On phone no. Hey mommy, are you okay na 2 days, 3 days. Na mommy reply. And na madam for Bahuka say, "Oh no. The way mommy a friend on faith. I was see you couldn't fee. Ni ya question. Odofo, you do mommy na da no. O ti shared house o. Na shared house no ti no. Omone other countries na ti ho say Portugal for ne I think Nigeria for na ti ho but I think they are not talking or I don't know say kromo ha no bia hye ne dia so obia ne obia hye da enkasasa afei maami hye dem ye du fie ho ye bisa tenant some of you on say pacho mehu Auntie Linda say well, we've not seen her for about 3 or 4 days now. I think she's been working so bad. She's been working morning, evening, so we don't normally meet her. Really? Have you knocked on her door to check if she's there? Oh, because we also go to work and, you know, I think she's okay. And yes, no, the uncle for you kind of. I was saying, Yanka said, you bop a dining. You're knocking, Auntie Linda, you be that. Or Biancasa. And I said, it's your friend phone, no lucky. And the phone was ringing. The phone was ringing inside the room. But Obia and phone. So we said no. So we had to go and call the police to come in. Your friend, before your friend Fiorano wasn't picking the phone as well. Into the I was saying you call for police for. No more be good than police for be good than any. Mami ne that for me. Mami ne that for me yo. Say I say on your heart attack. Onu kwa na eti. So who kromu hade ba ko no so won kwa wotia sometimes na yo ya onu kwa ati nti me say onya heart attack na adwo no sa ahomachi oyenim na we say police for ne den every ambulance for ye check no ne ye kofa ne ba. This is it. Now wawu no ye koya ne medical check up ni ade na Nidin the same. What is her name? Nidin the same. Nidin the same. Or the me say your friend Auntie Linda. But you know you so no e din fufuro. Into say one na ewu. The oti Netherlands no wawu ana ata ma me no oti krom ha na wawu. Sama hu. Into your garden now would tell me. Just my make no home. It's not about money, they be my friend. My ska. Mamma no. Say woo, or no so woo. Me himself and Auntie Linda. But Nipa no dey na dey adwuma or Netherlands. Inte say nipa no wo Europe ho no. Wono na wawu ana say mami na wawu. Asemo sa asemo we dey na ayere pa na nya easy o. Ayere pa. Wonim say owu wie ye na ye dey na akọ ambulance fa be fa no. I'm say a week after. And I tell you, in crack tiring. I do. A crack now, Abraham. No. Crack no, about the do. To say, well, we go free. Well, woo. And crack into our sofano. Well, woo. A week later. And crack now be do. Mammy wing. Well, woo free. Well, because yeah, Juma. Okunu Jennifer. Jennifer Boko there. What's it? Abrokyire brabo. Sometimes I be and so competition no. Too much for all of us. The competition is too much. Abrokyire butaya de Abrokyire. So what Abrokyire na ubutaya de ba no enko ye mawa. You need to exercise patience. Who figure na ba obu ho figure na ba waton na japade nyina. No de ba Abrokyire. Nti aba ba ye adwuma. Onim de opewa Abrokyire. Yes, Nana Obina. Yeah, thanks for sharing. Yeah. Me pa cho mun share video. Mun share video pa ma me nene. Me raho madam fo bia wo ya. Aye, because oye adwuma kunu ho. Share this video kunu ho. And krata odi adwuma nyina no. Obi krata odi adwuma wo tuaka e ma nipa no. Wo tuaka oye adwuma na nipa na odi ne krata adwuma no ogini sika. Oye adwuma 24/7. Want to me and the year. Dr. Noasa Mokan and say he's been telling the guy to have a rest and eat healthy. But boy no, when tear food so na de bia na me koto we and aduane ne boarding and aduane me koto we number ya wo Ghana market aduane boarding wo calculate ani na be si 50 pound, 30 pound. Eso usi da wo Ghana. Uniska. So save iska. You die now. You are dead and gone. Wow free. Wow, asem na me ya me nyeso mesu. Nso me ma mu hu me. Mo hwa se na misu fa. Me ya nti mpesa mo share message yi. E komo obia. Say, hey, Abrokyire ni abetom. Our expectations no, I dipa kromu ha no. Na ye very high. Me share na me feel Abrokyire e heaven. Utina plane mu a plane no do go heaven. Udu Abrokyire ha na we will work on gold. Just say the picture now I had Abrokyire tie no. Bra. Yes anet yo. Hey. Are you okay? Oh, yeah, Juma, you try a pounds. Queen Elizabeth can remote. Now, so, that's all tax. Now, would you rent, now would you bills at the Becano? Well, I hear Becca. And I will crowd the better, Diane. A crime, I will save you. And you good, so will save you. I will sit down, be a Dutch will maybe walk a lot, or bet him. Then so we shall not want dinner, and you're too much. I'll bet me. Don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself, my brother, my sister. Don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself. So say, brother, no, you should have bush for. Only a bush and be our. Me, shut down in a bush, me and a downfall. And I be a tennis or hoa. So, how do I go there and say, me a bush? Nebushia be any cromha. Or no one a bushia. Then now who found on your more a bomb, because I friend on your more a copper. Ufrobia. Because some of them don't even have in character as well. Some of them don't have in character as well. They don't even want to go say police for ne yi for ne some amun krom hasem ya say na busha fa obi ambra na nanfo ne ninkrata na ho na di ne ho ekọ akọje akase me na oye mabusuani sa nanfo na na meni omu nyina na ba krom ha pe na omu de omu so woni nkrata so mo sida wo fie nti me so mi sida wo fie omu ma ho odin omu ho odin nti se wo di o Michael Nkrumah made us say, I appreciate you too. Please share this video. Share this video. Emo bia sankabi. Abrokyire 42 mun send him abrokyire for na. Ye group kromu ha na. Ye bre na ye hu de ye hu no. Wo be weje osika ho. Ubu kra na me che no sika no. De be sie wo no kra enso. Ye san bobesia. Ene de sie wo. Yesie wu wia eka ba chire emabusuafo edem che kan etua nti wo say bra wo wiase ha nyina no eye nonsense. To me it's nonsense. It is senyame abo no tuma bedu abrokyire now expectations now wo di ba abrokyire no it's not going like that for you Rome was not built in a day, and you see all that glitters is not gold. Omo officer woni omu na na tu kwan eba abrokyire no ebimu esisi ada ebimu yese nti omo na obo nkomo na masa oba ha che na ye na kosi da ye na koyese. Yes, thank you too, God bless, thank you. Na ye no nya na eba akrom ha na ye sisi da eja ya ware eja ya wo eja and stuff like that. And I wo to me ye masa kejagu to na ye ntem na ye bibisa masa wa mo bua one say madam for your wu ye see in the family members in bra now for now they thought they were encouraging him to do that, you know. None of them is going because I'm someone in crack tiny bit. They don't have it, so who is going to say me family any boy no? You see what I'm saying? It's a moment straight and I'm for a new monam. What I say, as someone becano, you said they encourage you to do better. Yes, but one casano advice Nibo had the mawa. Show up more day. Now he said, meet to me and I mean to me. And now, a Juma be how 2 hours a Juma. 2 hours a Juma ho bra. Oh my no home. 10 hours now we a day no. And so Charlie and so. Beje menya 2 hours bi ha bra fa ho be she meboa mo wanya bi na wo ye na wo nam na wo koba na wani su bru udru fia wo nkwa na wo da ho na wo bra na wo ntumi didi na wo ntumi nya aduane e wa ko ho gari soakings ana dokuno na de wo ho dokuno de si kiregum na no na wudi wo ntumi didi na pa aduane kra wo yesi wo kra na bi wo ho because of adwuma 24/7 intino wo be fia you can't even eat properly. Mami Abna from Poma, yes. So say, God bless you there. This is where we live. So let's live our lives perfect here. Everywhere is everywhere. Me na me catch you. Shut Ghana. The only sikampo. Oh sorry, I no pa ochi drug no kra no. Anopa otimi kwaji wache. Eji wele, eji nkosua, eji nam. The only sikampo wa Ghana. Okwa mami wache you minim how much is wache in Ghana, but Josie only sikampo otumi didi edi healthy omo muti ekrase no po omo muti ekrase yesi some of them are poor no they eat healthy onya ne bayre bi no twini kontomra no twini nya ado a ono kra ye healthier any wa brochira wudi queen sika wo sika uko shop ko to bayre ana ko to yo say bayre we dey £5 ani body kontomre sen na na me di edwana me di ni na ko ye £30 £50 aduane kitikiti we aduane kitikiti we nanso eno na call body mu a ebe ma wo ahoden na wo di atuma ye adwuma mo enye rubbish and junk food na ukwa na akoto ntunim say chicken chips dey cheap o calculate usika ebi a month usika nya be 2000 1005 ne meto chicken chips kra ye to ne say £2 no wato ade achia no akoto aduane foforo ebi a £3 no wato na no kwa junk food kwa na wudi because you are saving the money. Who are you saving the money for? ya wo nkwa na ba asasi su ha o so nsa ana wo nkwa na abekwa adaka ni mo say ho adaka ni ya hio say mu ya nyu bra sister nkwa na wunim intime kase mesrew say waton wajapade nyina say wo de ba Abrokyire no abedu ha Abrokyire na we expectations no a we expect say Abrokyire say na wo benya no we nya ne sa me see empower so you can redo it again, but don't follow the crowd, because who follow the crowd now ubeti. Trust me, who follow crowd now ubeti. Ama for bebreti wo krom ha, ama for bebreti wo krom kasa me kasa mi wie ne mi wie china so. What do I say? Na jai say you come market you ko to ade a na you calculate yeah, must spend a lot too. Must spend a lot. What's spending a lot? I know you spent a lot, but then who is suffering and who is gaining? More being from Ghana to see if any panel don't pound from. So challenge me here by 100 million be and be bisa. Uba call baby a sending no cost sending £100, £200. Just like that, oh, not their money panel, ni panel, but from me. Oh, bra pacho mama home for me. Oh, sister pacho say me say. I'm not saying say men yadoye. Ubet me yadoye. But adoye na wo ye no. Sika na wo de kono. Wo so share wo health. Say me I hina me di wom. Anyway, I me phone battery no. E ko low. Inti me di mo besi ha. But the mechanic say make sure you eat healthy. You are working too much and make sure you eat healthy. Who eat healthier? You know, you'll be okay. You get energy to work. Who see dying and now who ye BB project and investment will fear or whatever you are doing. It is good you are doing it, but check your health, check your strength before you go in to do that. And don't listen to all the advices people give you, because esrobiane na hooding. What I say, obi oho wa ho do otimi de yes an man. Obi so oni. What I say, ebia na wo kra wo making wo wo yare bi oho. Ebia who you sick laugh. God forgive me. I'm not saying you're a sick. Maybe I know health problems. What I say, and what I for no work on anymore, no any health problems. So good in the chair, master, sister. That's a woman so like what I say. Intino, medum besi ha, medum besi ha, medamu na say munya daje share me. Intino, share this video and let others see. Share to people in our back home. Share to them, so that they know say yes we are bread wo krom ha. What I say, and share to people who live in abroad in the diaspora. So natural mo say ejuma no ma omo nya ni bebre omo nte so, but they should eat healthy. What I say, me da mo nyina see. Bye bye.